The design and construction of the Airport Link, Northern Busway and Airport Roundabout Upgrade Project influences 5 key precincts on its journey from the city to the airport: Bowen Hills, Windsor, Lutwyche, Kedron, Toombul and Airport Roundabout. More than 5 million hours worked to date by a team of more than 2,700 people. Twelve road header machines are currently operating from Bowen Hills, Windsor Lutwyche and Kedron precincts. They are tunnelling 24 hours, 7 days to excavate the Airport Link tunnels. 4 of the 15 kilometres of tunnel have been excavated so far. Regular environmental monitoring continues to be undertaken on site and near properties to ensure the impacts of tunnel construction are minimised and managed for the local community. In the Bowen Hills precinct, bridge structures are taking shape along Lutwyche and Bowen Bridge roads. Bridge piers are under construction and decks are being erected for the road bridges that will connect the local road network to the Airport Link tunnel. Work is also underway to construct the Airport Link off-ramp to Lutwyche Road, with foundation piling starting soon in the middle of Lutwyche Road. The Airport Link project's largest ever concrete pour was carried out in February on the northern side of Kedron Brook. This completed a section of the Airport Link tunnel roof.
To get the 2,800 cubic metres of concrete on site, we will have roughly 400 agitators enter and leave the site. This is roughly 1 truck every 2.5 minutes.
Excavation of the rest of the tunnel will now continue underground beneath the roof, so other construction work can occur at the surface level. A section of Gympie Road near the Stafford Road intersection has been realigned, allowing construction to continue for the Northern Busway Tunnel and Stafford Road connection to Airport Link in Kedron North. To enable construction for both Airport Link and the Northern Busway, extensive work is being carried out in the Kedron and Gordon Park areas to relocate and install essential public services, telecommunication lines, electrical cables, stormwater drainage and new gas and water mains. In Toombul, day and night work is in progress at the Kalinga Park site to build the tunnel boring machine launch box, set to be completed at the end of April. Large concrete pours have been undertaken to build a solid, thick slab forming the base of the box to support the tunnelling machines while they're assembled. Airport Link's second $45 million tunnel boring machine arrived in Brisbane this month, bringing the project a step closer to the launch of TBM tunnelling, starting in late June. In coming weeks, parts of the 165-metre-long tunnelling machines will be lowered into the ground by crane, held into position by cradles as they're fully assembled underground. An innovative spoil conveyor system is under construction in Toombul. The conveyor will transport a total 1.1 million tonnes of soil and rock, known as spoil, excavated from TBM tunnelling in Kalinga Park, and transport it directly to the spoil handling facility on Nudgee Road. This will drastically reduce the number of trucks on local roads. The conveyor will be covered to minimise dust and will operate 24 hours a day, transporting 2,600 tonnes of spoil every hour. Excavation and early work is in progress for the Airport Link ventilation stations, situated near Mann Park in Bowen Hills, Gympie Road in Kedron and Sandgate Road in Toombul. Construction of the buildings will take 6 to 8 months before being handed over to our mechanical and electrical fit-out teams. Tunnelling for the Northern Busway commenced in January when the busway's first road header was launched at the Truro Street tunnelling site. This is where buses will enter and exit the tunnel when the Northern Busway opens in 2012. The road header is now tunnelling north towards Chalk Street in Lutwyche. More than 60 metres of the 1.5 kilometre busway tunnel have been excavated to date. In Windsor, foundation piling in Enoggera Creek is now complete. Bridge piers are under construction for the Northern Busway Bridge that will connect with the RBWH busway station now operating. The bridge will cross Enoggera Creek and Bowen Bridge Road, linking with a new bus stop at Federation Street. In Lutwyche and Kedron, cut and cover construction is underway to build sections of the Northern Busway. In these areas, the tunnel is being constructed top-down from the surface rather than underground. Construction of the Airport Link tunnel roof is progressing at Lamington Avenue and Chalk Street sites. More than 60 precast beams are being installed for tunnel support. Construction of the steel structure for the new Lutwyche busway station will commence mid-year. Traffic along Lutwyche Road has been shifted west, allowing for a section of Lutwyche Road at Bradshaw Street to be converted to a bridge. This will eventually run above the new busway station when complete. On the Airport Roundabout Upgrade Project, the team is preparing for the opening of the new Gateway Motorway overpass this month. All 50 Super T-bridge beams were installed early this year for the new overpass, and finishing work including barrier installation, asphalting and line marking is near complete. Traffic diversions and night works were carried out during February and March for a series of realignments on the Gateway Motorway, preparing to move traffic off the existing motorway and onto the new overpass. The new Gateway Motorway overpass will open to northbound traffic first, with southbound lanes opening soon after. Construction of the new 21-metre-tall east-west flyover is also underway, which will bypass the Nudgee Road intersection and Gateway Motorway overpass, taking traffic directly to the airport. Bridge piers are now under construction along the east-west arterial, and the first of a total 436 giant concrete bridge girders, weighing more than 52 tonnes each, are being lifted into place progressively, forming the spans of the flyover bridge. Our community team works closely with construction on the project and is always out and about, meeting with residents, businesses, schools and other groups along the project corridor, keeping them involved and informed of construction impacts and progress. Throughout the year, we'll host regular events to keep local communities and the wider Brisbane public informed about the project and the benefits it will bring through public displays, presentations and coffee mornings. And we'll continue providing support to local community groups and charities close to the heart of our workforce. Thiess John Holland is proud to be delivering the Airport Link, Northern Busway and Airport Roundabout Upgrade projects, priority transport infrastructure for Brisbane.